been there no more. Many left and took all the reason I've been working for. Oh my God.
Goodness, my dear, you mean goodness.
Do you know who you are? Jesus? Mary. Wait, where's Joseph?
Ah, he's parking the car. Parking is horrible here. Then again, what does one expect in Hell's Kitchen?
Yeah. This is about her.
Oh, good, okay, good. I have 3 wishes. I would like, wait, hold on. Oh, look, I want next week's lottos. I want the Mega Million, not the New York. It's not enough money in that. Yeah, I know. Wait, I got 1 more. Wait, I got 2 more, actually. I would like the lead in a rom-com. I mean the lead. I don't want to be the chubby best friend. I want to actually get the man and have the money and stuff. And then, I want a featured role in a Broadway show that'll stay open at least a year, done by that Matt and Trey people. Oh, Cracker and Stone. That guarantees longevity. That's what I want. Do it, Jesus. No. Whoa.
What?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Do you know how hard it is to get a job? Do you know how long that my people have worked to get a job? Listen. Mama worked just like her mama before her. Domestic working was the trade. There were laundress, cook, living hell, Thursday girl, babysitter, and a hotel maid. They worked 6 days a week, all day long, never could get out of debt. Those were the days when the minimum wage was anything you could get.